Danny, wait! I'm very tired. Is it still far from here? No, it's not. A few more steps and we'll be there. Danny, look! What's there? Let's come closer and see. George, it's a real spaceship. Wow, let's go inside. All right, but we must be really careful. I'll go first. George, stop, wait. Why must I wait? Do you see? Inside there is some liquid. It can explode. Let's call Madam Rabbit. She lives not far. All right. It's a good idea. Hello, guys. Hello, Madam Rabbit. What do you have here? George and me have found this spaceship by chance. We wanted to see what is inside, but when we opened the door, we saw this liquid and thought it could be explosive. Now I'll check. Children, step aside. I'll open this jar and I'll see what's inside. It's fuel for the spaceship. You'd better stay away from it. And can we go now and see what's inside the ship? Yes, sure, but I'll be watching you, for you not to get into the trouble. Let's go! George, look here, there are such interesting suits. Let's put them on. Danny, you're so funny. You too, George. Let's go to the third level. Look, George, this is the seat for controlling the flight. Cool, I'd gladly fly. Danny, can I sit in this chair? Of course, then I'll go to the second level. Danny, we're like real astronauts. The first pilot is ready to start. The second pilot is ready for the flight. Close the doors. Here I have a button. I'll press it. What have you done? Oops. I'm really sorry. I pressed a button. I won't do it anymore. I promise. Oh my God. If you hadn't stopped on time, you would have flown into the space. But it was so cool. That's good that I've taken away additional fuel. Otherwise, I would be searching for you somewhere on the Mars. But when I grow up, I'll obligatory become an astronaut.